Welcome to video to introduce Windows Mbox Viewer, free tool to view Mbox mail archives such as Gmail Takeout Archive. Mbox Viewer can be downloaded from the Sourceforge site. Please Google for Mbox Viewer to find the download link. Download link seems to be on top, so select. This is the home page for the project. You can download executable by selecting the green download button. You can download user guide and executable by selecting files option, then select the latest release, and then you can download the executable user guide and the source code if you are interested. In the interest of time, I already downloaded the executable to the local folder. I will open now local folder. The downloaded file is compressed, so I will use 7-zip to uncompress. This creates the new folder and the executable within this folder. Left double click on the file to start the application. This shows the current version of the Mbox Viewer. Close. Enlarge the window. To get started, you need to select the folder with the archive files installed. You can either select this icon, select folder, or you can click on the file menu and then click on the select folder. This allows you to navigate and select the folder with the archive files. In my case, it's a mail. OK. Now we're going to see the list of available archive files. These archive files are public archives downloaded from the web. In order to install and view Gmail archive, please search web for instruction how to download archive file from Google. You can view one archive at a time. Left click on the archive. This will parse the archive file and create the index file to boost performance. You will see the subset of mails in the mail summary window. You will see the header fields like date, from, to, subject, and also size. Let's select another archive, left click. Left click on any email to view the content or text in the message window. And select another one. How do you navigate the mails? You can use the mouse wheel to scroll up and down and select, or you can use the scroll bar to scroll up and down and select, or you can use up-down keys. The same keys can be applied to navigate the text, mail text. Mbox Viewer supports mail sorting. By default, mails are sorted by date, and that's indicated by the presence of this arrow. You can left click on any column to sort by that column. Left click on from, to, subject, size. If you click again on the column, on the size column, the sort order will be reversed. You can also click on the first column header to sort mails by conversations, All the related mails are grouped and marked with the same color. Can select. Mbox Viewer supports searching. Select Edit menu and then Find option. This presents the dialog to configure the search criteria. You can configure text string to search, for example, driver. You can configure whether search is case sensitive. You can configure the search scope. By default, all header fields are included. I will include also message or mail text, and also I will request to highlight string in the text. You can also specify the date range. When you are done, click OK. Now the first mail is found. In order to find the next mail, click Edit again, and you can select Find Again option. Next mail is found. More convenient way is to actually use the F3 function key to find the next and next mail. I will select now F3, F3, F3. Mbox Viewer supports access to attachments. I will select now the last archive. This archive is very small. It contains just one mail. The star in the first column indicates that this mail has attachments. Left click to select. Now attachments are shown at the bottom of the message window. In this case, all attachments are pictures. Left double click to view attachments. In this case, pictures will be viewed by the internal picture viewer. You can click on next, left click on next. You can left click on zoom and use the slider to make image smaller or larger. You can use the mouse wheel to scroll down and up. You can move mouse while keeping the left button down to move image around. When done, select Cancel or select Standard Close button. You can right-click on attachment to see attachment-specific options. You can open attachment by the default application. You can print, or you can open file location. I will select file location option. The selected attachment is highlighted. Now I can use Windows Standard approach to open attachments by one of the standard applications installed on your computer, for example, photos. And then you can also print from the photos. Mbox Viewer supports printing of mails. I will select the larger archive again and sort by conversation. You can right click on any mail to see available options. You can print mail to text or HTML file. You can print all related mails to text or HTML file. Related means all the mails within the group. You can open mail in the browser. You can open related mails in the browser. You can open related files location, or you can open the find option to search the mail text. I will select the find. You can now specify string to search, let's say driver, and find. Okay, the string was highlighted in the mail. You can also right click on the archive file to see available options. You can print all mails to CSV spreadsheet file or to text file or to HTML file. You can sort mails. This is the same as clicking on the mail column. You can open file location. You can view properties, or you can refresh index files in case you suspect some issues. I will select properties. This will show the file size and the mail count in the archive. Thank you for viewing this video. To help to improve the tool, please rate the tool in the Sourceforge. Thank you.